My name is Chris. This is Opportunity Barn. I've got to repair this gate. I'm going to put all new hardware on. I don't like the way we set it up last time. I put it this way the last time I did the repair, just to temporarily fix it a few days ago, but I got all new hardware now. It's pretty cold out here. So stay tuned. All right. So I've got my jacks over here. I gotta try to lift this thing up. You know, loosen it first. I think that's 9/16. Yep. This gate hardware is all messed up. It's older. I tried reusing it. It's a bad idea. So that's all going to be coming right off. But I want to lift the gate up. And I want to have these brackets, I want to have here. So that'll support it here. And then I think the same on this one down here. So that lifted up easier than I thought it was going to. The problem is, I gotta somehow keep it steady. Probably do the bottom one first, maybe. It's not too bad out right now if you're dressed warm. I've got a union suit on, insulated in union suit, and then my jeans. I got insulated, a vest, insulated jacket, insulated pants. And the sun is out, so that helps too. So the problem is, this anchor is going to have to be adjusted. Too. Okay, so I'm gonna reuse this old bracket, this old L bracket. There's nothing wrong with it. If I need to replace it in the fall, I will. But I got 2 extra here, but I think this one's actually longer than the new ones. So this is not tightened all the way yet. So when you do your top bracket, this is going to be under here. And then my new L bracket, I'm going to put lower. And it's going to be upside down this way. So the gate can't be pulled up, obviously. And then the other thing is I wanted the gate up higher anyhow, so I just gotta make sure that it's level. And it looks like it's gonna go up a little bit. It doesn't look too bad right now. So if I look at the top of the fence here, and then I look at the top of this fence here, it looks pretty level. It might need to go up a little bit. So now we gotta do the top bracket. I'll try to zoom in on that one, but it'll be, I'll loop it so it's a little faster for you guys. You don't want to watch me turn nuts. Alright, so the L bracket stayed. I lifted the whole gate up. I put the bracket under here so it's supporting. the weight of the gate this way. Excuse me. This one's down, so nobody can lift the gate up, clearly. And then the brackets under this bar to support the weight. Now your adjustment on these, if you want to make your gate level, is by basically adjusting these L hooks, or L lags if you want to call it that, in or out to make your level. So visually I wanted it to look plumb here and then level on the top. If we stand back and look at it in reference with the top of the pine boards on the gate, it's pretty close to level. You can see here, I'll zoom in. It's pretty level there, or even. And then scoot across to this side. This one here, right here. Where's my finger at? Right here. So visually it looks good. And then my reveal on the post, right here, in between, looks pretty good. So now, before the gate was sagging, now it looks pretty straight. So it's a pretty simple process putting the brackets on. My L lags were already in there. I just have to readjust them. And this one, I had to put it all the way around once to make it a little bit tighter, to make everything level and straight. And I'll show you on the back side what I did. I'm going to be getting an automatic. Eventually going to get an automatic opener. So on the back side, you can see the same thing. And then what I did here is I double nutted it. Double nut. These brackets are much better than the other ones. The same thing here, I double nutted it. So yeah, that's it. That's Opportunity Barn. That's a little bit of gate work. Now, we'll hold it. I'm Chris for Opportunity Barn. Of course it's backwards. I'll have to fix that on when I video edit. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Check out that sunset. Pretty nice. Thanks for watching, guys.